Hi, Baba. Dati, palagi mo akong tinatanong kung bakit kita nagustuhan. Kung bakit ako nag-yes sa'yo. Kung bakit tinanggap kita sa buhay ko. At ang palagi ko lang din nasagot sa'yo ay dahil you're my answered prayer o kaya dahil sa pagiging genuine mo, kaya kita sinagot. It's true, but it's more than just praying. I still remember the day I knelt down to God, crying and asking Him to heal me from the wounds I never asked. I told Him that whatever His ways will be, I would gladly accept it. Di niya ako sinagot agad, but I waited. At hindi nagtagal, dumating ka.
Salamat talaga. Kung sa pagpapalaki, tapos ayun kung ako ngayon, kami ngayon, siyempre dahil yan sa inyo. Kaya, salamat.
I would always say this to you, pero baby, you really are one of the greatest things that's ever happened to me. And I'm proud of you. Pinakita mo sa akin kung paano ako dapat mahalin, kung paano ako dapat alagaan. Ang daming bagay na di natin napagkasunduan but still we managed. Ang dami ding oras na pwede mo ako iwan pero di mo ginawa. Thank you for staying. Thank you for your willingness to always compromise. Thank you for always doing the extra mile to prove your love and commitment.
Now, Arlan, could you kindly face your lovely wife, Ellie? Kindly seal this marriage with a kiss. Let us give them a warm applause.
Let this small gift be my symbol of love, loyalty, and commitment to this lifetime of ours. I am just so happy that I got to say I do in front of you. I love you so much, my answered prayer. See you later. Love, Ellie.
Thank you, baby. Alam mo, allergic na ako sa bakoong. Ayan, so masusuot ko to everyday. Thank you.
Sa unang tingin, napintig aking damdamin. Alam kong ikaw na ang tanging dalangin. Dalangin na makakasama sa hirap man o saya. Kasama ka na, sobrang saya aking nadarama. Pangakong ikay laging mamahalin, aalagaan, at iintindihin. Magkasama nating lalakbayin itong hamon ng buhay kahit saan man tayo dalhin. Lagi-lagi, aking mahal, ikaw ang pipiliin.
Now that we are going to start our married life, this vow is not just a promise to you but also a promise to God. That may it be in goodness or sorrow, calmness or chaos, storm or fair weather, I would stay by your side. I will love and cherish you every day of my life. even on the days that love may no longer be the answer. I love you so much, and I'm so glad that it's you I get the chance to spend the rest of my life with. From the very beginning up until now. Wala ako digdi kung wala.